Grok AI is actually free and unlimited, but there are a few things you need to know. Otherwise, you might think this is fake. So watch this video till the end. First, take your phone and go to the App Store. If you're using Android, go to the Google Play Store. Then search for GemV AI. This is the app, install it. I've already installed it, so let's open it. As you can see, it has both image generation and video generation. Tap here and you'll see the video models. By default, it's set to Grok. They also have Google VO. I'll explain all the important things, so keep watching. Now let me show you how to generate an image to video using Grok for free. And yes, right now, you can use it unlimited times. Tap here. This part is important, so don't skip. Select XAI Grok. In this app, you can generate up to 6-second videos for free. If you want 10 seconds, you'll need to pay. But the good part is you can generate 720p videos for free, unlimited times. So it's still worth it. Now tap here and upload your image. Then paste your prompt here and tap on Create. After that, tap Agree. Before the video generates, one quick thing, you'll see some ads. That's because the app runs on ads, and that's how they provide Grok for free. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch it. Nice! The video looks really good. To download it, tap on Download. You'll need to watch a full ad to save the video, and that's how you can use Grok for free. Just remember, it's unlimited for now, but in the future, it might change, so make the most of it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.